That you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
How you doing, guys? Today here we go, vlog number 100. Could you imagine that? Time flies so quick.
Yes, so today is the vlog for 100. Wow, I would like to say thank you guys. You already watching us from the first vlog until 100. For you guys who already subscribed and then always watching our YouTube every single day, I would like to say thank you so much. Mwah! I give you a big kiss.
Kiss from Winnie. I didn't got this yet, but you guys got it. However, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe now, because we do the vlog every single day at 7 p.m. Bali time.
Yeah.
And now
we are in Uluwatu area. Yeah. Uluwatu is my favorite area to watch sunset because it's quiet. I mean, like, it's not like you know, so many people coming.
yeah,
Not
it's
really.
Definitely much more quiet than Canggu.
And then
Sunset is beautiful over here.
Yeah.
And it's super hot as well.
Yeah. So now it's around 4 p.m.
It's
in
after
Bali.
4, yeah.
After 4. So we are in the area is called La Joya Biu-Biu.
Yeah, the place is La Joya Biu-Biu, as this Uluwatu Pecatu.
Uluwatu area. Well, actually
It's Uluwatu area.
In Balangan. In Balangan.
Balangan
In
beach.
Balangan area. So this area, the Balangan beach, is famous for surfing spot also in Uluwatu.
Sunsets.
And sunsets, beautiful sunset.
And it's super hot.
Yeah. And one thing in this resort area,
We'll show you guys around. However, it's just we are here, that's why we'll make you shots. It's super quiet and it's super hot.
yeah, so if you guys thinking to come to Bali and then thinking like where to go, if you wanna have a chill out with your partner, have a sweet escape and watching sunset, Uluwatu is the best place for
One
you
of the
guys.
best spots
Yeah.
in Uluwatu. Okay, now we're gonna show you guys around, play a little bit in the pool later, have some drinks, go to the beach because it's beautiful private beach down there. I think it's private, right?
Yes, it's
private beach
because the access only coming
the-
from this resort.
Okay, now let's go, honey. It's so hot.
Like I told you, only us. I feel like I own the resort. Sorry.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.
So for the vlog 100, actually, we're not gonna do anything super special and spectacular because the current situation is how it is.
Yeah, so we didn't go to party actually because nowadays the number of the cases I can say is getting increased. So we decided to go to the place where we can
quiet
chill out.
and it's chill out.
Quiet.
Not
as
many
you see,
people.
not many people. As you see that now we are in La Joya Biu-Biu. Only us. So we can chill out, enjoy the sunset. So this is how It is.
That's how it is. However, guys, I have a super extremely amazing, exciting idea for 1 million subscribers. However, that's not gonna happen in the very near future. However, one day when we're gonna reach 1 million subscribers, right, and everything will be back to normal, I believe, and this time already will back to normal, will be something super spectacular. However, at this time, cheers.
Cheers for you.
Thank you for being with us for the 100 vlogs and over 100 to come, so stay tuned.
Yes, so this is how current situation in Bali, as Damian maybe just walking wherever he is and he keeps saying quiet,
but
so
that's how it is actually. And our idea for the vlogs at the beginning was little bit different what we do. However, when we start doing the vlogs, first vlog was before this current situation, this crap even start. And now we are just make adaptation how it is, and we're trying to show you guys what you would like to see. And yeah, but we're not gonna give up. We're gonna push to another 200 and then another 300, and we will see, will be 1 year, and we will continue and continue and continue. Thank you again for being with us and
always watching our video, and then you guys comment in our video about what to see in Bali. We will show you guys, but somehow the places, some places that we cannot go because we are thinking also more about the safety, the security, and the situation like nowadays.
Some places are just not possible to go at the moment, except many people asking you guys to go to Lovina at this point. At this time is not really good time because there is the red zone of the cases. For the safety reasons. We will do it for sure, guys. I promise you, whenever the situation will little bit calm down over there, maybe in next 2 weeks, I hope so, right?
Yes, so when the situation is much better, we will go somewhere that we think that it's safe for us. So remember, safety is the most important thing for us, and then we make sure that we always, you know, stay healthy. So maybe if you watch our video, whether in Ubud, Canggu, or Kuta again, maybe some of you who already watch our video thinking it's boring already, but this is how it is.
No, this is how it is, and this is what we can do for you guys at this point. We wish to travel actually a lot. We used to have plans to go to Borneo, into Malaysia, Borneo, Indonesian Borneo. We used to go to Sumba Island, in many places across Indonesia, and not only Indonesia. We love to go to Singapore, but at the current conditions, as you know, it's just not possible. However, if you're gonna keep watching us, and these conditions will finish, for sure we will do it.
So we will travel more when the situation is much better.
You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day.
So now we will go to the private beach. Like I told you, this resort has a private beach, so this is the pathway to go to the beach. Let's see. So they also have another swimming pool with the ocean.
You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Alright, so we are going to the private beach, and the path is like this one. Nice. It's actually not so bad. I was expecting this will be more difficult, except these few steps where it's windy now. And the beach is there. Private beach. I hope so. It's beautiful. I believe so. to the private beach. It's very beautiful, I'm not disappointed. This even access is not so difficult, however, it's super hot, like always. Uluwatu is super famous for the weather, this is hot. How do you feel, honey?
Oh my god, it's so peaceful where, you know, going to the secret beach, I mean like private beach, only you are on the beach, nobody else. Wow.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the mood.
So after chill out by the beach, now we decided to go back to the resort and have a chill out by the pool. This is because I didn't exercise too much. Now whenever I going up the stairs, I feel like
Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire.
Hi honey,
Oh, hi, sayang.
how's the water?
Oh, so warm. So hot. I'm so tired after going to the beach and come back.
Yeah,
Oh my
let's
God.
watch sunset from here then.
Yeah,
Look
it's
at
beautiful
this one.
sunset over here. It will be soon.
Alright, so Damian is having a dip in the swimming pool, and then yeah, I just chill out. I had a dip in the pool already, and here in La Jolla View they also have such a beautiful jacuzzi overlooking the Indian Ocean. Have a look.
Bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
Hi honey.
Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying, I may be going, I may be left, I may fall apart. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy.
Look at Damian, now he's moving.
Yeah,
Now he is in a small jacuzzi. Look at him.
just chilling a little bit.
Hi honey.
Hi, honey. Cheers, guys. I hope so you can drink with me one day. You can drink the normal bintang for me, rather.
Well, actually that Damian is not drinking beer and he's not drinking alcohol.
Yeah, I'm not drinking alcohol, that's why I just Radler. You can see me. This is actually non-alcoholic or very low. However, bintang is bintang.
Sound of the wave. And that will be beautiful sunset scene.
Easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
Alright guys, so as you saw, we chilled in the pool. Now we are chilling in the jacuzzi, overlooking to the sunset. We'll be there. Oh, however, it's so dark if I'm showing the camera now. One thing what we would like to talk with you guys today, one more thing, is we are planning to change the name of our channel from the Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys into the, probably into Pak Damian, which is Mr. Damian in Pak is in Mr. in Bahasa Indonesia. The reason why we're thinking to change the name is just because it's little bit too difficult and too long for many people, and that's why we we didn't decide yet, but we are thinking to change it.
Yeah, so we are thinking to change the name because wherever we go and and wherever we are, people asking like, what's the name of your YouTube channel? And then we explain,
story.
oh, Mr. and Mrs. Monkey. What? What is
Yeah,
it?
that's the true
Mr.
story.
and Mrs. Monkeys. So for those people who speak English fluently, or for those speaking
very well.
for those people who, you know, understand English, may be easy to find, but because most of you know, people also do not speaking English, and then they are still thinking like how to find our channel.
Yeah, and especially the word a monkey is also a little bit like confusing for many people. However, I create personally this name, this brand, the logo, and I'm so proud of it. I really love it, and I think we will still, even we change the name, we will still keep the logo and the brand itself. However, the name of the channel probably will change it just to make it easier for everyone, also for you. Whenever you type our name into YouTube, will be much easier for you.
Because sometimes whenever you type in YouTube channel, you type Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys, it, you know, it's not like,
it's not showing
us, you know?
Because it's also like a cartoon or TV show for the kids with the monkeys, so that will be on the top always. It's just kind of confused for many people. However, we didn't make a decision. We're asking you, what do you think, guys, about that? About the name will be the Pack Damian.
Damian.
Yes, Pack Damian. However, everything else will stay. So the
I will stay in the
Winny
YouTube.
will stay. We will stay together. We will do as much as possible to do vlogs together. Completely nothing else is changing. Just the name. The rest of formula will stay the same. 100%. We can promise you now. And but we really considering to change the name into Pack Damian. And let us know in the comments below, what do you think. If we're gonna make a decision to change it, we will inform you probably 1 week before. Every day we will say at the beginning of the video the name will be the Pack Damian. Anyway, comment below, what do you think, guys. Anyway, I hope so you understand.
Beautiful place. So as you see over there will be beautiful sunset. So now is the golden hour, and I will show you over there is beautiful Mount Agung. So I can see sunset and Mount Agung. Oh, look at this. Damian is having a shower.
Already?
Beautiful. Already? Beautiful sky, isn't it? So Damian is having a shower. Oh my god. This is such a beautiful view.
Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head. Oh, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
Look at him. Hey, do you feel cold?
Yes. If I have to be honest, yes.
If you already quite long living in Bali, after swimming you will feel cold, yeah? It's totally different when you are in Europe. Right?
That's right. 100% right.
So Damian has just showered. This is the open bath. And look at this. Beautiful.
So yeah, already after sunset, it's the beautiful place, empty restaurant. Show you guys around a little bit. So I was getting changed, and actually Winnie used to sit at the outside, but with so many mosquitoes, and we used to move here because it's very comfy couch and a big table, but we ordered some food and she said this is difficult to eat for her, so we move now here. Yes, Sayang? Yes?
Yeah. So, well, actually that
Seems like
spicy chicken.
Seems like you're mad at me, huh?
I'm all the spicy chicken though. Look.
I will show you the guys the food. Thank you. How is your food, honey? Seems spicy?
Yeah, so this is called ayam geprek. Fried chicken, and then you crack. And then you put the chili on it. It's so good. Alright guys, thank you. So this is our 100 vlog. I know that we didn't have any party or
anything special,
but because the current situation, so we just decided to go to the place where we can chill out, we can peacefully enjoying sunset together and having dinner. Yeah, so that's the update from Bali right now in the vlog of 100, right?
Just a little bit from Uluwatu. Anyway, the best sunset in Bali. And thank you so much for the 100, and like always, new vlog at 7 p.m. Bali time.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and what should I say? Thank you.
Yeah, just help us to growing, and
we will make a big party for 1 million subscribers, I promise.
Alright, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
Stay safe, see ya.
Bye.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying, I may be going, I may be left, I may fall apart. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing